I don't know if you can see those things, tree things over here. They are, dancing in the wind. It is really windy here today. And now we did come out for a while. But we're headed back to the house. Now, Miss Lily was a good girl. She came over, and I was sitting there watching some YouTube, and she come over by the door and let me know she had to go out. And she did. I took her out. She went pee-pee, was a good girl. But she definitely let me know that she had to go out. So, good puppies. But yeah, it is windy, windy, windy out here. Now, I had some things delivered as well today. I did order another pair of the moccasins, and they were delivered today, and the liquid monk fruit, I've been waiting for that, and apparently that's waiting for me now too. So that's another reason I'm going over back home so I can pick those up. And yeah, now I do have a couple more things coming. One thing that I've been using, and I really, really, really like it, and I'll share that with you when it comes, but it's the I have a Tivana strainer and infuser for tea, and it fits perfectly in a cup to do your coffee, and it works so well for doing your coffee. Now, that's what I use at home all the time now to make my coffee in the morning. So I did order one of those. It's not through Tivana, it's through somewhere else, but it's a one of those glass cups that's kind of got the air in between. Now, I have one of those at home that I use all the time. It's bigger though, but it keeps your coffee warm or cold, whichever it is. And then this one comes with one of those tea strainers in it, and I found that they work perfectly for your coffee, to do your coffee in. So I'm really looking forward to that coming as well, because it's a little easier, I think, than what I have in here now, which I do have one of those drip things with the coffee filters that you use. Now, the good thing about that is it holds the coffee grounds, and you can pick that up and just throw it away. So, but the tea infuser works really well for actually brewing your coffee. Okay, so I'll show you that when it comes, how well that works. And I think I will change out what I have in here now, because for the fact that it keeps your coffee warm or cold, versus when I use a regular coffee cup, and when I make my coffee in the morning, it's already cold. Now, I do like cold coffee, but there are times I would like to have, warm coffee, hot coffee. So that's why I decided to get this infuser. diffuser and cup set. So that is coming again in just a couple days. So looking forward to that. But you know, the puppies are happy because they got to go. They got to go ride and spend some time out there. You know, gypsy puppies, what are you going to do? I'm looking forward to being able to be on the road. Yeah, it's coming pretty soon. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh, mercy. Now, something I did get today, I bought some new glasses. I couldn't believe it. They were done in 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I just happened to catch them at the right time. I got them for more nighttime driving because they're clear, but they will darken in the sunlight. So, you know, my other glasses are all really tinted for the sun, because my eyes are really, really sensitive to sun. So I was happy to get those today so that I can drive, especially when it's, you know, coming up on nighttime. Because I have a astigmatism and things too, and night blindness, so you know, I need all the help I can get when it starts getting dark at night. And I try not to drive at all, you know, when it's getting that time. But once in a while, you know, you're kind of, you don't have a whole lot of option. You still have to drive. So I did get those glasses today. So anyway, I hope you liked the readings done today. They were all pretty much in similar vein. You know, Trump is still trying to finagle a way to try to get it lowered or try to get somebody to give him the money. But everybody knows he's a con man. He doesn't pay his bills. He overinflates all his real estate, so who could give him a loan on his real estate? You can't trust a thing that this guy says. So, you know, karma's coming back on his face. And I don't know if leaders in other countries would give him the money, because I don't know if they, you know, think that he's really got the shot to get in again. I think they may think it's too dicey. So I doubt he's going to get it, even though he's tried to suck up to Orban and he sucks up to Putin at every chance he gets. You know, we'll see. Yeah, his best shot is Putin, the most, you know. But I think he's already given as many secrets, and I think Putin thinks I can get the secrets out of him anyway. Why should I give him the money? You know, they know all they have to do is play to his ego and say how fabulous he is, and they can get anything from him they want. So why give him the money? special treat tonight, and I'll see